Today on AFOL TV, we're building micro farm equipment. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week we've got an exciting build. We're doing 3 different farm vehicles. This was a popular post on Instagram. We had a lot of people reach out asking how to build each vehicle. So we figured let's do a YouTube build series. On top of that, these are all available for download. Our instructions are available on our website. We'll post it in the link down below. You can find it at afolstore.com. And additionally, if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram at afol.tv and go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're trying to grow this thing and we really appreciate all your support so far. Okay, so as mentioned in the opening, we're going to do 3 different builds. We're going to start with the easiest, which is the little truck. We'll follow up next with the larger truck with the hay bales. And lastly, we'll do the combine harvester, which is a little bit trickier, but again, these are all on micro scale, so relatively speaking, they're pretty easy compared to some of the larger Lego sets. Okay, now for the fun part. We're gonna start with the smaller truck. Go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you will need, and then come on back because it's time to start building. Okay, up next we have the larger truck with the hay bales on the back. This one actually does swivel, so it's a little bit more sophisticated than the first one. Go ahead and pause the video because these are the parts and pieces you will need, and then come on back because it's time to start building. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too challenging for you guys. Up last is the combine harvester, which I know is what most of you have been looking forward to for this whole video. This is going to be the most complex out of all of them, but these are the parts and pieces you'll need. So go ahead and pause the video and then come on back, because we're going to start building, and I promise it's not as hard as it looks. Well guys, that should do it. Really hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite and which one you thought was the most fun to build. Also, if you haven't already, check out the rest of our channel. We've got a bunch of build tutorials for different micro vehicles with micro buildings coming soon. We're gonna be doing a whole series about an entire city, and all of that is gonna be released soon. Also, if you're not following us on Instagram, you can find us at afol.tv. And just be sure to follow us there and subscribe here. We really appreciate everybody's support so far. We're trying to grow this thing, and every little follow and like really helps more than you guys know. So thank you so much, and see you next week.